Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will look at part 1 of 8 commonly used confused pairs of words in English. I will give you their meanings and show you with examples how to use these words correctly. At the end of each part, I will test your knowledge with a short quiz. In this part 1, I will give you 4 pairs and the other 4 pairs I will give you in part 2. The 4 pairs of commonly confused words that we are looking at today are accept and accept, affect and effect, lose and loose, choose and chose. Our first paired words are accept and accept. They sound similar, but they have different meanings. Accept is a verb. It means to receive or agree to something willingly. Tom will accept the gift of a new car from his mother. This means Tom will agree to willingly receive the gift from his mother. Accept is more often used as a preposition. It means not including. Classes are kept every day except on Sundays. This means Sundays are excluded from all the days that classes are kept. Let's use both words in one sentence. She decided to accept the job offer, except for the low salary. This means she will willingly agree to the job offer. However, she will not accept it with that low salary. So the low salary will be excluded. Our second pair of words are affect with an A and effect with an E. Affect is a transitive verb. It means to influence or produce a change in something. For example, the current bad weather will affect his outdoor plans. This means that his outdoor plans will be impacted by the current bad weather, so he may have to make some changes. Effect with the E is a noun and is the result or outcome of a particular action. The current bad weather had a significant effect on his plans. So, the effect on his plans is a result of the bad weather affecting his plans. Affect is the action and effect is the outcome of the action. Here are both words in the same sentence. The new rules will affect the entire school and the effect will be noticeable in a few weeks. This is saying the new rules will have an impact on the school and the result of that impact will be noticeable in a few weeks. That is the effect. Our next paired words are lose and loose. Lose is pronounced as if it had 2 O's, ending with a Z sound. Lose. It is a verb and it means to suffer a loss, to misplace or be deprived of something. For example, be careful not to lose your pen in the classroom. Loose is pronounced as if it has 1 O with an S sound at the end. Loose. Loose means not tight or firmly fixed in place. Because I lost some weight, my skirt is loose on my waist. This means my skirt is not fitted firmly on my waist. It is not tight. Let's use both words in a sentence. You may lose your coins if you place them in the loose pocket of your jacket. And our last pair of words in this lesson is choose and chose. Choose with 2 O's is a verb and it means to select or make a decision from various options. It means you have a choice. Every time I go to church, I choose to sit in the same seat. This means I make a decision to sit in the same seat out of all the other seats in the church. Chose is the past tense of choose, so it has the same meaning as choose. However, it is used in the past tense. He chose to go to the bank all by himself. This means he made a choice yesterday or sometime in the past to go to the bank all by himself. So let us use choose and chose in the same sentence. This time I will choose the blue balloon because the last time I chose the red one. We will cover the other 4 pairs of words in part 2 of this lesson. Look out for it in my next video. Now, to test your understanding of how to use these words, let us do a little quiz. You may stop the video to consider your answer. Then we will go through them together. Please let me know in the comment section how many you got correct. Number 1. After careful consideration, she decided to accept or accept the job offer. Number 2. Everyone is going to the party except or except for Tom. Number 3. The sudden news about the company's closure deeply affected or affected the employees. Number 4. The new policy had a positive effect or effect on employee morale, leading to increased productivity. Number 5. If you are not careful, you might lose or lose important documents during your travels. Number 6. The knot was loose or loose, causing the package to open and its contents to spill out. Number 7. It took her a while to choose or chose the right dress for the party. And number 8. Last year, the Browns chose a tropical island for their vacation. Let's go through the answers together. Are you ready? Number 1. After careful consideration, she decided to accept the job offer. Number 2. Everyone is going to the party except for Tom. Number 3. The sudden news about the company's closure deeply affected the employees. Number 4. The new policy had a positive effect on employee morale, leading to increased productivity. Number 5. If you are not careful, you might lose important documents during your travels. Number 6. The knot was loose, causing the package to open and its contents to spill out. Number 7. It took her a while to choose the right dress for the party. And number 8. Last year, the Browns chose a tropical island for their vacation. That's it for this lesson. It was my pleasure bringing it to you. I will see you in my next video for part 2 of this lesson. For more English grammar lessons, please subscribe to this channel and let me hear from you in the comments section. See you next time.